Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This driver was either extremely selfish or clueless. Maybe just wait at the red light. Idiot meets convenient cop. Happened to me today, near head-on collision. This driver was not going to miss that exit no matter what.
Joe, opening his eyes wide. It's been 3 days now and nobody will say. It's just like the time.
That car has to be stolen. This driver blew his red arrow light. You do not want to get hit by that thing. Playing with your life is not a good thing. Drive like hell, you'll get there.
Holy.
Not exactly smart to do on a college campus.
Right now.
Okay, that sounds dope.
The Chain Smokers Electro 15 on BPM.
Another day, another crash. The level of impatience here is surprising. Two idiots meet. How cute. Now this is some next level road rage. Pulling up to visit my father-in-law's grave with my wife. Morons will do anything to not miss their exit.
These cards power up the main bus. You're going to be looking to fuse later on this game. If you don't get this one, it's not too big of a deal.
Oh, my boy, you just done up. You just done drove into wet cement.
This woman just poured in some wet cement. That's why we're gonna have to redo that street.
Well, there goes another week of work.
This is why it's important to brake early and not end up in a situation like this. Got caught in a pack of drivers with separation anxiety. This driver is on a mission and didn't have the time to stop. Another day downtown dealing with old people and drunk drivers.
Right here.
Oh my god!
Dipshit. God
Oh
damn.
my god!
Reckless pickup? Count the violations.
I have carpets.
This driver confused the whole road. This driver parks in the middle of a busy road around a blind turn to pick up a sign. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.